Hello, today I'm in Kia Rio. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which you can activate voice assistant, change radio source, mute radio and change radio volume, change radio station, answer and end calls. On the right side of the steering wheel, we've got the panel thanks to which we can navigate through speedometer display, enable cruise control or speed limiter and manage it. We can enable steering wheel assist and pause the cruise control. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.